Hello, Saturday morning, on my way to meet Ryan at a job, new build. Got a bit of a dodgy ceiling to it, sort of, well, you'll see when we get there. But gonna meet him there. Foggy, cold. When we get there, there'll probably be no heating on, no electric. You know what new builds are like. So yeah, gonna get over there, make a start. We thought we'd do it on a Saturday morning because there'd be no other trades about to get in the way. No chippies, no sparkies to annoy. So we'll just better get in there and get on. Been to Cane Adam and pick up a coffee and a bit of paint, so that helps. So hopefully Ryan's stopped at McDonald's on his way in, so that'll be a bonus. We'll have to get over there and see what he's doing. Anyway, went to the paint and decorating show this week. Yeah, went really well. Seems to be that the podcast is going down well, which is nice. No negative feedback at all. Met with some decent people. Nikki from Mrs. Lewis Decorating, I think. What an angel she is. She's just recently won a Dulux award for wallpapering, and yeah, lovely lady. Met with Roy. He got in touch through the podcast. I had a bit of lunch with him. He kindly bought Ryan and I lunch, which was really nice. Who else? Oh, Dragonfly Decorators. She's a lovely lady. Got some really good ideas that we picked up on. So yeah, all in all, I think well, I mean, I don't know what makes a successful show. For Ryan and I, we were just going around the stands and getting interviews with suppliers. I've heard a few complaints saying it's not as good as it was, but yeah, we found it one of the better ones. I don't know whether it's because we had a purpose, we knew what we were looking for and what we wanted to do. I don't know. So, but yeah, we found it really successful and made some really good contacts. So yeah, I just thought I'd mention that before I have to get out of this nice warm van and jump into this bloody cold new build. Anyway, let's see what it's like when we get over there. Oh, also, forgot to mention, met up with the Candle Man, the infamous Candle Man. So yeah, had a quick chat with him. So we might be doing something with him in the future, which will be good. Spray Direct too. They were a nice couple of lads. Managed to get on their video. So yeah, check out Candleman and Spray Direct on YouTube. Both have got really good channels. Worth checking out. So yes, as I said, let's see what's going on in this new build. I don't know if you're like us, but we sometimes struggle to strain our paint when we're spraying. We never used to, but we started to strain paint because the amount of crap that's in new paint is unbelievable. But we've sort of looked at various different ways, but now we found a solution. At the decorating show, we found these. £7 from London Decorators merch, I think LDM. These fit in the top of a 10 litre tub. Looks like they'll last a few strains. So yeah, we bought a couple of these. Hopefully it'll make life a bit easier for us when we're spraying. It's got this sort of C-shaped bit at the front there, so you can leave your hose, so you can pass your hose through it. We'll give it a go, see what we think. We've just realised that the filter sieve fits a 10-litre tub and not a 15-litre tub, so we've had to adapt it slightly, but I'm sure it'll be fine. We're just about to find out. Chuck it in, Roy. That looks awfully lumpy.
It's just cold. Lumpy or not, at least it's getting strained.
It's certainly going through a lot faster than the other way, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's looking quite good. Cool.
Supermat does get like that though. If you put the, I always knock it up in the tub before I put it in with the spray tub. But you can see it. It does. It holds together.
Yeah.
And then once you get it going, it does mix up. But it does. It will like gloop up.
Plenty big enough for Saturday morning. There you go. Got a bit of scaffold on the lout. Oh yeah. We shall see how it goes. So this is the view upstairs from the banister that we saw when you were downstairs. It's quite a nice little feature. As you can see, it's quite a big ceiling we've got to do, and judging by the reflection, it's been plastered quite well. So yeah, let's see how it sprays. Ryan's just found out he hasn't done up all the hoses on the spray machine, so bit of a delay to the proceedings. But as you can see, it's and we've tidied up. So you can imagine what it's like when we turned up. There was crap everywhere, but it's a building site, so no one seems to think of other people these days, so you have to come tidy up other people's shit before you can get off your own shit. You know what it's like, guys. Business as usual. Bloody cold.
Yeah. Alright.
That was our Saturday morning. We got there about 8 o'clock, half 8, and we were finished by about, I think it was about half 11, 12. So good morning's work. It was cold, there was no water, no heating on, no electric, so we had to run the spray off for Jenny. Like I said, we had everything going against us, but we still got through it okay, done a nice job. The Spray Shield by Fox's Professional Tools was a godsend for us. Like I say, it saved us taping up too much. We just used that to shield the windows, as you can see from the video. So yeah, really pleased with that. I'll put a link to that. I think it's sold by Top Deck, so I'll put a link in the description below if you're looking to buy one, which you probably should have if you're taking spraying seriously. I think they're about £60. As always, if you like what we do, then please like and subscribe, and also tell a friend. Don't forget, we also do the Two Decorators and a Microphone podcast, which can be found basically anywhere, although we have got a website, 2decks1mic.com. maybe check that out and see what we've got to say for ourselves. Anyway, until next time, take care. If you enjoyed this video, then maybe it might be worth checking this video out, or even this one. Take care.